Let's learn how to use side, side, side to solve for an angle in a triangle where we know all three sides. You're going to want to use the law of cosines. Let's fill in the blanks. I recommend you hit pause and think about where these numbers and letters came from. What you may or may not have noticed is that the two sides that make the angle we're looking for, the 7 and the 13 form the x, they go in the middle of the law of cosines. The angle goes inside the cosine. That we don't know. The 2 is always there. And notice that the 9 and the x oppose each other. You must always start with the side that opposes the angle you're looking for. So, since we're looking for x in this case, we have to start the equation with the 9 squared. At this point, we're going to use algebra to solve for x. I'm going to do some basic order of operations here. I'm going to do my exponents and multiplication. I recommend hitting pause and analyzing that. Then I'm going to combine like terms, 49 plus 169. And in order to solve for x, we have to isolate the cosine. First, let's subtract 218 from both sides. Then to isolate the cosine, let's divide both sides by its coefficient. Those two negative signs, I'm okay to keep those there, but let's not forget that a negative divided by a negative is always a positive. And now, in order to solve for the angle itself, we have to use what's called the inverse cosine. A special button on your calculator. Every calculator is different, but you should be able to find the inverse cosine button, type it in, and be done. Thank you for watching.